Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the coal market. So yesterday, as you can see, it was a relatively quiet session, so we've got some pause on upward action, and it seems that gold stands currently at such an environment where in general it is positive, because we have less than the 20 days until the elections in the United States, but very strong and significant driving factors that could push it significantly higher now just doesn't exist. So it means that it's more probable that market could stay in some sideways action, showing some fluctuations without any significant drop. So we could get some maybe deep retracement or something, but all these things anyway will be in some limited range, relatively tight range. Even now you could see that market hasn't dropped below 26 area, showing upward action, but since recent 2 days of the rally, market takes a pause right now. So we don't have any significant continuation. The question of the Israel-Iran conflict still stands on the table, but there is also some relief stance because Israel has agreed that possible targets of the reverse strike in Iran with the United States, and as it was said, there's no any nuclear or oil objects of the Iranian side, so it's some military objects and so on. So that's reduced the degree of the confrontation here as well. We'll see what will happen, but it just leads to some not quite uncertainty, but some kind of the some stability to the market where it stands in general positive, but without any big upward continuation, without any explosive rally. So speaking about our trading stop that we have considered in a weekly report, it's still valid, despite that we have nominal bearish trend. We still think that this recent rally has more bullish signs, if you especially take a look at the intraday charts. From that standpoint, what we could suggest here, potentially it might be butterfly, right? For instance, it very often happens in similar situations when we have the similar swings. Why it can't happen? It's 2710 target of the potential butterfly, so it might be the butterfly on the daily chart. It's just suggestion, so we don't have its clear signs yet, but we can't exclude it, and it really could be formed. On lower time frames on the 4 time frame chart, you could see what's happening. When market has broken for this trend line on Friday, we said this is bullish, and this is not typical for the bearish market. That's why chances for some big A, B, C, D continuation, some greater A, B, C, top D pattern back to the 2560 area, for example, currently seems minimal. So more probable that we could get upward continuation. And here's the only concern for us is whether this continuation starts right from this point or still market could show a bit deeper retracement, because on the weekend we talked about possible reverse hand and shoulders pattern, right? So it might be the shoulder, hand, another shoulder. And we said in the current choppy market, it's very difficult to predict what the shape of the right arm will be. Whether the market stops right here and turns up, as it's happening right now, or it will be a bit deeper retracement back to the 2630 area approximately, which is also agrees with these lows to the left here, and also we can't exclude totally. So here's, you have to make your own choice if you in general consider this trading setup to take part in. So just act as you feel more comfortable. If you're conservative enough, well, maybe it makes sense to sit on the hands and see for the deeper retracement. Watch for these levels and see when getting this guard steeple to buy or something. If you feel uncomfortable when you're just worrying that you will miss the trade or You see the attractiveness to this overall scenario, but you do not want to miss it. Split the position. So take minor part here. If market will drop lower, take the bulk here and give an average of a good price somewhere on 26.35, for instance. This is also an approach that you could follow. Or you just think that market will go straight forward right from here. You could make your own choice, maybe taking the position whatever you want. But in general, this is minor tactical questions, but in general we have this setup. We have reasons to suggest that upward action should continue, and we intend to keep an eye on it. So this is currently, it seems that for this current week, in general, it probably will be the only setup that we have, and correspondingly the major setup. So let's keep watching what will happen. This week, I just remind you, we will get a European Central Bank meeting, and what is probably might be even more important, we will get the consumer data from the United States, consumer retail sales and general consumer sentiment. So that's what we will be watching this week. So let's follow with this scenario that we have.